Hello, everyone. Today we're here to do some more letter sound practice. We're working on the sound of R, which is Remember, when I make the sound, my mouth is open a little bit. My tongue is in the middle. Can you make that sound? If we put a capital letter R and two lowercase r's, we make a growling sound. Excellent. Let's take a look and practice some of the sounds we already know. Ready? Great. Now we're going to take a look at some other practice. We're going to look at the page that has a lot of letters on it. As we look at this page, we are going to read the letters. I'll mark under the letter with a color. When you see that color, let's make the sound of that letter. Ready? R. Great job practicing with me. You can come back and practice these letter sounds any time. You don't have to do it just once, because remember, the more we practice, the better we become at remembering the sounds and the better readers we become. I can't wait to see how great you're getting. See you later.